The B-2 Spirit, the world's first stealth bomber, is a unique flying wing aircraft renowned for its cutting-edge stealth technology and its staggering cost. With a price tag of around $2 billion per unit, justifying its expense compared to other military aircraft is a challenge. While it enhances the U.S. nuclear triad by allowing undetectable nuclear strikes, its benefits are marginal given the existing capabilities of other nuclear delivery systems like intercontinental ballistic missiles and submarines. The B-2 Spirit provides added security, but its extreme cost raises questions about its financial justification. The B-2 Spirit, stealthy, powerful, and incredibly expensive. The B-2, the world's first stealth bomber, features a flying wing design that omits vertical stabilizers, horizontal stabilizers, and a conventional fuselage, giving it a striking, unconventional silhouette. Coated in black, it looks like something straight out of a Batman movie. But despite distinct appearances and world's first claims, the B-2 Spirit's most notable feature is its cost. When first funded in the early 1990s, the B-2 Spirit cost $1 billion per unit. When adjusted for inflation, each B-2 costs upward of $2 billion. For a single aircraft, that is hard to justify. To put the B-2 Spirit cost in perspective, consider the price tags of other U.S. military aircraft. The F-22 Raptor, the world's first fifth-generation fighter, costs $350 million per unit. The C-17 Globemaster, which can transport tremendous quantities of U.S. military equipment around the world, costs up to $340 million per unit. The P-8 Poseidon costs $290 million per unit, and the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, the interconnected fifth-generation Marvel, costs $115 million per unit. Air Force One itself, designed to support the head of the entire executive branch in transit, costs $660 million. You could buy 4 Air Force Ones for the price of one B-2 Spirit. You could buy 6 F-22 or about 17 F-35. For the price of one B-2 Spirit, you could cover about 40% of the cost to build a Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carrier that houses about 5,000 sailors and 100 aircraft. So, were the B-2 Spirit unique costs worthwhile? Did the U.S., at $2 billion per unit, get its money's worth? Short answer, probably not. B-2 Spirit, a costly instrument of deterrence. The B-2 bomber's main appeal lies in its combination of stealth capabilities and nuclear strike potential. In principle, it enables the U.S. to deliver nuclear weapons with pinpoint accuracy, while remaining virtually undetectable until it's too late. Essentially, the B-2 Spirit stealth features were meant to remove predictability from U.S. nuclear deployment tactics, inspiring greater caution from U.S. adversaries who would be forced to assume the U.S. could strike with surprise, anytime and anywhere. In short, the B-2 Spirit is designed to enhance the air portion of the U.S. or air, land, and sea nuclear triad, which in turn enhances Washington's nuclear deterrence capabilities. Without question, a stealth bomber enhances the nuclear triad. And while the U.S. has a strategic incentive to maintain nuclear superiority over other nations, at a certain point, systems become somewhat redundant. That's not to say that another weapon system can reproduce the precise abilities of the B-2 Spirit or the operational options it confers. But the U.S. already has first and second nuclear strike options. It has a large and wide-ranging stockpile of nuclear-tipped intercontinental ballistic missiles. Its nuclear missile-armed submarines lurk stealthily in oceans around the world. And of course, non-stealth bombers like the B-1 and B-52 can deliver nuclear payloads, although they are less likely than the B-2 to survive in contested airspace. Sure, the U.S. has a more complete nuclear triad with the B-2 stealth bomber. It is, arguably, incrementally safer with the B-2 stealth bomber on call. But at $2 billion per unit, the B-2 marginal benefits are hard to financially justify. The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber is getting a big upgrade. First taking to the skies in 1989, the B-2 Spirit bomber has recently undergone a major upgrade through the Spirit Realm 1 initiative, a joint effort by Northrop Grumman and the U.S. Air Force. This upgrade enhances the aircraft's communications and weapon systems, ensuring it remains effective in modern airspaces. Originally, the Air Force planned to purchase 130 B-2, but budget cuts reduced the order to 21, making each aircraft cost $4 billion despite its high cost. The B-2 Spirit remains a critical component of America's nuclear and conventional deterrence until the B-21 Raider becomes fully operational. The Air Force and Northrop Grumman, the manufacturer of the B-2 Spirit strategic bomber, recently rolled out the Spirit Realm 1 upgrade that enhances the aircraft's communications and weapon system capabilities.